Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande, and today we're making pulled pork empanadas on the Traeger. That's right, we'll be making some pulled pork empanadas on our Traeger grill. You can also make this in the oven or any kind of barbecue grill you have as long as you get the temperature right. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's What's in the Pot. Welcome back to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande. So today we're making some empanadas, some pulled pork empanadas. So the first thing you need is some pulled pork. This is about 1 pound of pulled pork I had left in the fridge. I had a little too much pulled pork, so I wanted to change it up. Instead of making the regular, pulled pork sandwiches, I wanted to give it a little bit of a different vibe, a little bit of that Latin vibe, because I love empanadas, I love beef patties, different things like that. So we're gonna make some pulled pork empanadas. So what I started doing was heating up the leftover pulled pork on about a medium heat. Once that starts getting warm and start releasing some of that fat and that juice from the pulled pork, we're gonna add some of this Texas spicy barbecue sauce, and that's about a tablespoon. You can add a little bit more if you like it extra saucy. And I'm also gonna go in with about a teaspoon of this pork and poultry rub from Traeger. These are two of my favorite items that Traeger makes besides the grill. The Texas spicy gives a little bit of that heat, and the pork and poultry gives a nice little bit of seasoning flavor, but also a little bit of that kick and a little bit of sweetness. So incorporate all the ingredients together. Once you incorporate it and let it cook for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, there you can see some of that fat is kind of rendered off. You can see that sauce kind of mixed in there, all the flavors in there. It's gonna be delicious. So for my empanadas, I'm using some pre-made empanada doughs. You can go ahead and make your own if you want, be a little ambitious, that's really up to you. I like picking these up at the local Walmart. Honestly, they cost about $1 to $2 a pack of 10. So this is absolutely perfect. Now what we wanna do is put about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more of the pulled pork mixture that we've made, and then we're gonna just close it up. Now, I haven't perfected that empanada pinch, so I just use a fork. Just make sure when you fold it over, just get all that air out, because you want to get all that extra air out of there, and then just crimp it down with a fork. Now, while I fill the rest of these empanadas, I have my Traeger grill set to 350 degrees. So we're preheating at 350 degrees, and I'm also using my favorite pecan pellets, because I love when I'm doing any kind of baking, I love to use pecan pellets. This is what our empanadas look like. Let's go pop this in the Traeger. I forgot to record me popping them in the Traeger, but this is me popping them out. I got some shrimp going there. I also got some shishito peppers cooking with the empanadas, but this is the empanadas after 25 minutes. The skin gets a nice crispy golden brown on the empanada dough. That's what we're looking for. And on the inside, we're gonna see some of that barbecue sauce. We're gonna see some of them juices. It's gonna smell absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for tuning into What's in the Pot. It's your boy Sean Grande. Till next time, peace, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.